From the sands of time, our nation rose, built on dreams, on strength, on unity. We have journeyed far, from humble beginnings to a beacon of hope. Today, we stand tall. We guard the land, the seas, the skies. Our force is strong, united with all our partners, prepared to serve and to defend the heart of our nation. But our journey is not just of the past, it is of the future and of the present. We protect not just borders, but the values we hold dear. Every soldier, every sailor, every pilot, a shield, each one a protector. But we do more than defend. We innovate, we advance, we ensure that our strength is not just in numbers. Every day, we push the boundaries of what's possible. We're not just keeping up, we're setting the pace. Our mission is to protect the future, to ensure that the next generation inherits a nation stronger than ever before. We protect, we defend, for a stronger tomorrow.